to remove this panel, all you have to do is take a flathead screwdriver. You'll see like little gaps in there, and kind of pull it like that, and it should come down just like that. And when you have that down, you'll be able to see right here, if say for example you have a bad switch, right here would be the switch that you would be removing if you had to change that out. Or say for example you needed to change out something with your heater right here, you would basically get right here. You see your switch right there that goes to your moonroof or sunroof panel. Right here, if you have to change that out, you just unsnap that and change it out. Or right here is actually your components that go to your heater right here. So once again, folks, this is how you would change out your panel for your sunroof, or as well as for your heater if you had to get to it. Not change it out, but actually get to it. And then when you change something out, you just would take it, you kind of see that front piece, slide it back up in like that. Just take that front like that, slide it in. Then you see those little grooves up in there, you see two little spots. Just push it up just like that. Pretty much you'll have your panel back up. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your panel, or this is how you would get access to the panel that's at the roof of your car in a Pontiac G6. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.